let me show you how to integrate Deepseek with Discord. Welcome back to this quick tutorial video, everyone. If you're trying to integrate a chatbot into your Discord, let me show you the process that you need to follow. Now, there are two things that you can do in this situation: either download or add in a pre-built bot from the Discord bot list, or secondly, if you know how to code, you'll need to head over to the Discord developer section. So search for discord.com/developers and you need to head over to the bot section so that you can create a bot from scratch by creating different integrations. But if you don't know how to code and you're not a developer, you can head over to the Discord bot list, search for discordbotlist.com, and inside of this section you'll have this search bar. Search for AI chatbot and you can see various chatbots that you can integrate into your Discord. Make sure you select the one that has many chats opened up, as you can see on the right hand side. Click on the view option and then click on the invite button. This way you'll have the option of selecting the server where you want to enable this chatbot. Click on continue. And there you go, the bot now has been enabled. You can now head over to Discord. Now, if you want to look at all of the commands that you can use for this particular Discord, you can see it in this section right here. If you want to generate image, you need to type in /image and then you need to add in a prompt. Similarly, if you want a chat assistant, you can type in / and type in say so that a chat assistant is available inside of Discord. So select the server that you added in the Discord to, and it says right here the AI bot now has been integrated. So depending upon what you want to do, make sure you type in the command and then type in your prompt. So that was the video about the way that you integrate Deepseek into Discord. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's gotta be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.